Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Arena, and today we are gonna learn that how box shadow actually works. So we are having a simple HTML and inside it we are having the boilerplate. I have linked it to styles.css. Basically this video is for CSS beginners. If you don't know about box shadow or if you are confused about it, so this video will definitely help you. So first I've made a div and I've given a class of square. Now inside the styles.css there is a basic CSS like width is 250 pixels, height is 250 pixels, so it would be a proper square, and background would be in a linear gradient so that it would look more better. And then we are having margin top and margin left, and then we are having cursor pointer. So the final result would be this. So basically this looks like a 3D image. If you want your things to be more attractive, so you can use box shadow. So first we will go live and it would be a simple gradient square, but now we are going to make it like this. So first of all, box shadow is so simple. Like first we need to write box shadow, and inside this box shadow we are having x-axis, y-axis, and then we are having the blur. So x-axis would be 10 pixels, so the horizontal part would be 10 pixels, and now the y-axis, so the vertical side would be also 10 pixels, and then we are having the blur. So let's do blur for more pixels, like 25 pixels would work, and then we are going to give the color. So I can give it to black because there is a white background. Now we'll save it. So see, we are having this same layout, but we can do more and more things here. So we can have, like, let's say 70 pixels. Let's try this. So we are having this whole blur. Okay, so we can do these kind of things with our creativity. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. If you like it, share it with your friends. Hopefully you are clear with the box shadow, and thanks for watching.